can't see my face, so hopefully everything looks good. Hey everybody, I'm Mari Soul Maybe, and today I'm going to be doing this Squid Games inspired look. It's based off of the one game that they play with the little cookie where they have to cut out the shapes. So I drew some shapes on my face, and it's really simple, easy Halloween type of look. So if you just want to see how I do this, just keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I did my makeup off camera, and I'm just going to get started with the shapes. I'm going to use this Faux Freckle stamp thing that I got from CVS. It's by the brand called Crème. It has a cute little star stamp on it, but the other end is like a felt tip liner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw the shapes that I want on my face, and I'm gonna use a mirror. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way, but I'm gonna do a triangle, a circle, and a square, because those are honestly the easiest shapes for me to draw. The person that I saw do it did a star, and there's no way I'm gonna be able to do a star, so we're gonna go with some basic shapes. Hey, it's Editing Mari here, and I just wanted to hop on real quick to just say that after this section here, I'm just going to be showing myself doing each step on just the triangle shape, because I do the exact same steps on the other shapes. I just thought it'd be easier to follow. So yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick. Okay, bye! So I got the basic shapes down. Obviously, I got a little bit carried away on one part, but that's okay. We can fix that. I have this really old nude liner. I don't even know if it's an eyeliner or a lip liner or what. Honestly, can't even read what it is, but I'm going to try to use this to just clean up the lines a little bit, especially on the circle. Okay, and I cleaned up the lines a little bit, and I'm going to darken up the shapes with some brown eyeshadow. I'm just going to use the Juvia's Place little mini palette, and I'm going to use probably just this shade right here. I'm slouching so hard. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a lighter shade. I'm just going to use my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula in Endless Summer to just kind of go around the edges. You'll see what I mean in a second, just to kind of give it a more 3D effect. I'm not the best at explaining stuff, so I feel like I do better if you just watch what I do instead of listen to what I'm doing, because half the time I'm not even making sense. Okay, so now that I've got that down, I'm going to add a little bit of light to it. Let me think, how am I going to do that? I'm going to try to use this pencil that I used earlier to kind of lighten up around the edges, just to make it look a little bit more 3D. So now I'm going to try and use some white to highlight it even more. I'm going to try to use some face paint from Wet n Wild. I'm going to just try and buff out the brown just so that it kind of blends in a little bit more. I kind of just blended it in a little bit more, and what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to get some red and go over the darkest lines to kind of give it more of a bloody inflamed effect, I guess. So I'm going to go in with that. I'm gonna use some of these shades, mostly like this one, mostly like these three, to kind of add some more like dark red, like inflamed, bloody looking type of stuff, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna just kind of mix the colors around and just kind of go around, and yeah. I have red eyeshadow somewhere, and I'm gonna add that to the middle as well. This is a really dirty Z palette or whatever it's called, but I'm gonna use probably this red shade right here, and let me see what it is. Okay, it's SugarPill. It's the shade Love, or Love Plus. There's a plus sign after it. I'm gonna use that shade. I really hope, like, while I'm recording, I'm not slouching too much to the point where you can't even see like what I'm doing, or like that I'm holding the mirror in the way. Like, I really hope that's not happening. I'm gonna go back in with some browns and kind of darken up and give them a little bit more shading, since it's kind of been going away since I've been like patting everything out. So I'm just gonna go back in and kind of darken up the shading areas again. I'll start off with the bronzer color just in case I don't want to do it too dark. I think that's all right for now. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit more white, just to add a little bit more highlight. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go back in with the felt tip liner and kind of just go over the darker outlines again, just to kind of make them a little bit less dull. Oh, my eyes are watering from keeping my eyes open for so long. Ugh, I hate like blinking because I don't want to like mess anything up. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna top the shapes off the darker outlines with some glitter liner. I got this from JD Glow Cosmetics. It's called the liquid glitter tubes, and it's really cute. It has like cute little applicator. I don't know if you could see that, but I'm basically just gonna use that to go around the edges and outline them and kind of give it like a bloody look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. I think it's a pretty simple and easy little Halloween type of makeup look that, like, if you're in a rush and you don't have any like costume ideas, just throw some shapes on there, add some little shading and some glitter, and you're good to go. I like how it came out. Let me know what you think. But yeah, I'll list everything that I used down below, and if y'all have any questions or suggestions, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Oopsie. I hope y'all oh, there it is. I don't know. Tubes. I could not read that word to save my life. Oh my goodness.